Ang ugali na dapat mong iunlad at buohin sa iyong buhay. Kilalanin natin si Michael. Siya ay 25 years old. Siya ay desperado na nangangailangan ng pera upang suportahan ang kanyang pamilya at ang kanyang unang bagong ipinanganak na anak. Ang kanyang ama at lolo ay parehong may kasaysayan sa paggawa ng kahoy at dahil siya ay matangkad at malakas, humingi siya ng trabaho sa negosyante ng troso. Ang sweldo ay maganda naman sa ganyang trabaho at determinado si Michael na gawin ang lahat na kanyang makakaya dahil ang kanyang pamilya ay umaasa lamang sa kanya. Lunes ng umaga, ang boss niya ay nagbigay sa kanya ng isang palakol at ipinakita sa kanya ang lugar kung saan siya ay dapat na magtrabaho. Sa unang araw, siya ay nakapagdala ng 18 puno. Napakasaya ng kanyang boss at hinihikayat siyang magpatuloy lang sa magandang gawain. Hindi naman ipinagmamalaki ni Michael ang resulta ng nagawa niya sa unang araw na yon. Sinikap ni Michael na pag-igihan pa niya ang susunod na araw, ngunit nakapagdala lang siya ng 15 puno. Sa pangatlong araw ay nakapagdala lamang siya ng 10 puno. Araw-araw pakunti ng pakunti ang nadadala niya na puno. Pumunta si Michael sa kanyang boss at humingi ng tawad at nagsabi siya na hindi niya maintindihan kung ano ang nangyayari sa trabaho niya at bakit ganun lang ang resulta. At baka mawalan siya ng trabaho. Kumbaga, he was trying harder and harder each day only to bring less and less trees. Gumiti ang kanyang boss at nagtanong sa kanya, "Kailan mo ba huling pinapatalas ang iyong palakol?" At biglang sumagot, "Wala akong oras upang patalasin ang aking palakol. Napakaabala ko para sa pagputol ng maraming puno."
Have you noticed that in your life? You are Michael. The axe is your abilities to accomplish things. The trees are your dreams and goals, and the wife and the baby are your happiness and things that you care about. You try to accomplish your dreams and your goals so that you will feel happy and fulfilled. You swing your axe every day trying to achieve something, but with the skills you have so far you can only get the same amount of happiness, satisfaction and wealth. In other words, you progress stagnates if your skills and abilities remains the same over and over again. Sometimes you get so busy that we don't take time to sharpen the axe. And in today's world it seems that everyone is busier than ever. It's hard to be happy when there is no progress, and it's hard to be happy when every day you are going to work and doing the same thing over and over again. Seeing the same results or even feel that you are going backwards. It's hard to be happy when every day you cut trees and got fewer trees even though you try as hard as you can. You can be grateful for what you have so far, but you cannot feel true happiness and fulfillment if you do not progress, evolve and grow. There's nothing wrong on the activity with hard work, but we shouldn't be so busy that we neglect the truly important things in life, like taking time to think, to meditate, to learn, and grow. If we don't have time to sharpen the axe, we will become dull and lose our effectiveness. So start today and think about ways by which you can do your job more effectively. Learn on how to better communicate with the people around you. Stop and think for a minute, is there anything you can do differently to make your life better? Find out what is going you down and then work on it. Don't just mind that this won't work your axe, sharpen it, so tomorrow once can equal to 10 of days. Learn something that will bring you closer to your dreams. Before we end this video, I want to ask yourself, what skills did you learn today, the past month or in the past year? Can you think of any? Are you seriously expecting something to change in your life from what you are doing is the same over and over again? Are you improving as the time passes, or are you becoming dull and efficient? If that's the case, well, do something about it. Remember this, if you want something in your life to change, then you'll have to change your choices and actions. That is because doing the same thing will never get you different results. Thanks for watching.
Ayan mga boss, may mga natutunan na naman po tayo ngayon. At sana nagustuhan niyo itong video ito. Pag meron pala kayong kakilala na kailangan nilang matutunan ito, pakishare na lang po ng video ito. At doon naman po sa mga bagong bisita natin, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos natin. So kita-kits na lang po tayo ulit mga boss sa susunod na video ko. Dito lang ulit sa Pinoy TV Discussion. Adios, muchos gracias.